Angela, our thanks to you. We'll see you in a few minutes. Meanwhile, tonight, the rush is now on in Cass County there to get ahead of a new surge in COVID-19 cases. In fact, in just 24 hours, the last 24 hours alone, cases nearly doubled to 1,025. Tonight, your own Rich Van Wyk shows the tough restrictions the county is now enforcing to keep everyone there safe.
Stores are counting heads. No more than 125 customers in the biggest of retailers and a lot fewer in the small stores. Masks are a must, single shoppers only, no one under the age of 16. Terry Doran says it's about time.
Social distancing is the only way to stop this. We should have done it a month ago.
But the new restrictions don't go far enough, according to Chantel Hudson.
I don't think it's helping any. Because you're still out and about.
Behind Logansport's deserted streets, public health officials are in a life and death struggle to get ahead of a rising curve in coronavirus cases. 1,025 and counting. Logansport Memorial Hospital has just 83 beds. The COVID care unit is already full. Administrators are concerned about being overrun with patients.
The curve is our enemy right now.
Hospital CEO Perry Gay worries about the numbers.
We knew that they could get to the point they are today, but we always looked at it as that was just a possibility and not reality, and now it's realities.
The vast majority of COVID cases are tied to the local Tyson meatpacking plant. All the test results aren't in yet. A county health department COVID clinic is evaluating 100 people a day. The hospital has an adequate supply of PPE. There are plans to move patients to hospitals in other counties. Staffing is the biggest concern.
With the amount of people we're going to see, the biggest problem we have right now is having nurses and RTs to take care of them.
Drawing a harder, wider line on social distancing, officials hope will slow the growing wave of COVID-19.
Rich, thank you. Now, despite the sharp rise in cases, Cass County right now so far reports one death.
Here's a snapshot of COVID-19 across the state of Indiana. We had 963 new cases since yesterday, bringing our state total up to 15,961. And most of those new cases taking place in Cass County. That's where we've seen the outbreak at that Tyson Foods Meat Processing Center, now up to more than 1,000 positive cases of coronavirus. And tonight, we're beginning to see the impact on some of the surrounding counties around Cass County. For instance, in Miami County, Sunday they had 22 cases. It's jumped up to 93. And in Howard County, they had 72 cases last week. That number's jumped up to 152. State leaders say part of the sharp increase that we're seeing in Cass County is the result of a big increase in testing. So tonight we've crunched the numbers, and here's what we found. Cass County has the highest testing rate per capita in the state of Indiana. For every 10,000 residents, about 388 have been tested. The next close county is Marion County, which has tested about 238 people for every 10,000 residents.
And there's also some growing frustration tonight among small business owners with a second round of federal funding officially now up for grabs. In fact, the Paycheck Protection Program, called PPP, started applications at 10:30 this morning. Well, by then, the 5 largest banks nationwide already had more than 1 million applicants ready to go, asking for a combined $100 billion. The $310 billion on the table is expected to run out even faster than the first round of funding. And last night, major banks said business owners had to submit their applications within the first few minutes to have a shot at getting approved. And also tonight, more help is now on the way for Hoosiers who are simply struggling to make ends meet. In fact, state leaders just announced today an expansion of SNAP benefits as well as services. Starting this Friday, families with a child who receives free or reduced price school lunches will get extra benefits. Now, you don't have to do anything like this. You will automatically receive an EBT card or have money added to your current EBT account. And also, starting on Friday, SNAP recipients can have groceries and even food delivered to their home. This service will continue after the pandemic even ends. And then, beginning this week, our state is getting a weekly shipment of 125,000 FEMA meals to help those in need as well.
Well, all eyes will be on Governor Eric Holcomb this week because Hoosiers want to see when Indiana will start to reopen. Now, across the country, we've seen a handful of states begin to relax restrictions. Now, in some cases, people have been ignoring stay-at-home orders. There's a new study out tonight suggesting more Americans are spending less time at home. That's despite nearly 1 million confirmed COVID-19 cases across the country.
Patients are still sick, they're still dying, and if we reopen too quickly, everything is just going to spike again.
Governor Holcomb did not give us any new guidance on a specific date or when Indiana could begin reopening. The current stay-at-home order will end on Friday. It is possible the governor could see another extension.